Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the SYSKA HT3333K Pro Styling Kit. There is quite a bit of information on the box, but we're going to skip all of that and take a look inside. Let's go ahead. Let's pull this tray out gently, and there you go. All the items in the box are snugly fitted in the tray itself. That's very convenient. Right at the center we have the precision trimming head and a nose hair trimmer. We also have a basic 10mm comb extension with a large dial at the back. This is what you use to control the length settings. Let's see what else is there. Yeah, this is the power adapter for the machine, quite standard. Now let's take a look at the trimmer itself. It comes wrapped inside plastic with a small document which looks like a quick setup guide. But let's keep this here. Now this is what the SYSKA HT3333K Pro Styling Groomer looks like. It has a very sleek and metallic finish with the UltraTrim logo at the bottom side. Additionally, there is also a knob for cleaning the blades. Nice touch. That's all you'll find inside this box. Thank you for watching.